Home maintenance tips. Gutters and downspouts. Make sure to clean them regularly to prevent clogs and potential water damage. It's a small task that makes a big difference in protecting your home. HVAC system maintenance. Change those air filters regularly, usually every 1 to 3 months. Also, schedule professional HVAC maintenance annually to keep everything running efficiently. Inspect for leaks. Water leaks can be sneaky. Check for leaks around faucets, under sinks, and near appliances regularly. Early detection can save you from major headaches down the road. Windows and doors. Keep your home cozy and energy efficient by sealing gaps around windows and doors. Weather stripping is a simple and effective way to keep the outside air where it belongs, outside. Test smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Safety first. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors monthly and replace the batteries at least once a year. It's a quick task that ensures your home is a safe haven.
Ready to find your dream home? Sanjeev Malik, your trusted Realtor. Call now.